Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, photography.
Welcome to the whimsical wonderland of Charlotte Cotton's Photography is Magic, where every click of the camera is a wand wave and every photograph is a spell. Forget Hogwarts. This is the real school of witchcraft and wizardry, where photographers turn the mundane into the magical. Let's dive into this enchanted forest of photographic delight and see what all the hocus pocus is about. Picture this. You're at a party, and someone pulls a rabbit out of a hat. Impressive, right? Now, imagine that instead of a rabbit, they pull out an entire new world. That's the kind of magic Cotton is talking about, not your average card trick, but a mesmerizing spectacle that leaves you spellbound. This magic isn't about deceiving the eye. It's about tickling the imagination. Like Willem Flusser might say, it's not just about what's in the photo, but what your mind conjures up around it. In the era of selfies and catnames, digital photography has become the playground for modern-day sorcerers. Cotton shows us how photographers today use digital wands, software to create images that are richer and more layered than a triple chocolate cake. It's a bit like using Photoshop to make your Instagram selfies look like Renaissance portraits, only cooler and way more artistic. Of course, not everyone is charmed by Cotton's magic. Some critics, like Daniel C. Blythe, think she's pulling a fast one on us, making a fuss over nothing more than digital parlor tricks. But Cotton isn't trying to sell snake oil. She's inviting us to play along. It's like going to a magic show where you're in on the secret. Part of the fun is knowing how the trick works and still being amazed. One of the key themes is absence. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can something be about what's not there? But Cotton turns this on its head, making absence the stars of the show. It's like a magic trick where the real wonder is in what you don't see, creating a space for your imagination to run wild. It's the artist's suggestion, the subtle nod, the Mona Lisa smile of photography. Cotton's book is a mixed bag of tricks, showcasing everything from classic photography to digital wizardry. Imagine a cocktail party where you've got Ansel Adams chatting with a digital artist who makes gifs of dancing cats. That's the vibe here, an eclectic mix that blurs the lines between photography and other art forms like sculpture, painting, and performance art. It's like the ultimate art world mashup. The magic really happens when photography sparks the imagination. Think of it as a treasure map where X marks the spot of endless possibilities. Cotton's featured photographers are like modern-day explorers, using their cameras to chart new territories of meaning and visual delight. Their images are gateways to other worlds, waiting for you to step through and discover what lies beyond. In the age of likes, shares, and viral videos, the relationship between artists and audiences has changed dramatically. It's like the difference between a private magic show for a king and a street performance for the masses. Today's photographers engage directly with their viewers, creating a more interactive and participatory experience. It's democratizing the magic making. It's accessible to everyone with a smartphone and a sense of wonder. Looking into the crystal ball, Cotton sees a future where photography is even more intertwined with digital media and technology. It's a world where your camera isn't just a tool, but a portal to new realms of creativity. She acknowledges the challenges, like keeping it real in a world of deepfakes, but she's optimistic about the endless possibilities. It's a bit like predicting the future in a world of ever-evolving spells and potions. Photography is magic is an invitation to see the world through enchanted lenses. It's about embracing the wonders and whimsy of photography, recognizing that every image has the potential to transport you to another world. Whether you're an artist or a viewer, Cotton encourages you to play along, to find the magic in the mundane, and to let your imagination soar. So, next time you snap a photo, remember, you're not just capturing a moment, you're casting a spell.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.